We all wish to lead a peaceful and financially stable life post our retirement. Today in this video we'll see, does investing in Tata AIA life insurance fortune guarantee pension plan guarantee you a happy retired life? A detailed analysis on this will be done in this video, by which you can come to a conclusion whether to invest in this plan or not. Hi and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take the right financial and investment decision. This Tata AIA Life Insurance Fortune Guarantee Pension Plan is non-linked, non-participating annuity plan. Today in this video, let's take a look into its features, benefit and also see its IRR analysis. By that, we'll come to know the potential return from this policy and also compare it with other investment avenues, so that we would come to know whether investing in this policy would be beneficial for us to achieve our financial goals or not. Now let's first see the features of Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Pension Plan. Here the premium paying term can be chosen according to your convenience. It can be single, regular or limited. Option to increase annuity to top up premiums. Multiple annuity option to suit your needs. High purchase price benefit to encourage you to save more. Now let's see the benefits under this Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Pension Plan. There are 4 benefits available under this plan. The first one is immediate life annuity. The second one is immediate life annuity with return of purchase price. The third one is deferred life annuity GA1 with return of purchase. And the fourth one is deferred life annuity GA2 with return of purchase. If you see under immediate life annuity, here the annuity shall be paid till the annuitant is alive. There is no death benefit under this plan. Annuity payment commences immediately after the frequency is chosen. There is no guaranteed additions under this option. Second one is immediate life annuity with return of purchase. Here the annuity is paid till the annuitant is alive and annuity payments commence immediately as per the frequency chosen. The death benefit is the total premium paid to date and there is no guaranteed additions under this option. Third one is deferred life annuity GA1 with return of purchase. Here the annuity is paid till the annuitant is alive and the payments commence post the end of the determined period as per the frequency chosen. That benefit payable within the determined period will be higher of total premium paid up to date of death plus accrued guaranteed additions, or 105% of the total premium paid up to the date of death. Here the death benefit paid post the determined period will be total premium paid excluding loading or a model premiums up to date of death plus max accrued guaranteed additions minus total annuity payout till the date of death. Guaranteed additions GAI equal to 1/12 of yearly annuity amount. The fourth one is deferred life annuity GA2 with return of purchase. Here the annuity is paid till the annuitant is alive and the payments commence post the end of the determined period as per frequency chosen. That benefit payable within the determined period will be higher of total premium paid up to the date of death or plus accrued guaranteed additions, or 105% of the total premium paid up to the date of death. That benefit payable post determined period will be total premium paid excluding loading or model premiums up to the date of death plus max that can be accrued guaranteed additions minus total annuity payout till the date of death. Here the guaranteed additions is 1/12 of 6% of the total premium paid. Now let's first see the advantages of Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Pension Plan. Joint life option is available under all variants. Guaranteed additions during the determined period. Guaranteed income for life and annuity frequency can be chosen as per convenience. There is an option top up premium to increase the annuity by paying an additional purchase price or premium as a single pay. Loan can be availed and the maximum loan amount is 80% of the surrender value. Now let's see the potential disadvantages of Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Pension Plan. You receive the same annuity amount without adjusting to inflation during the entire lifetime. Here for your post-tax expenses, you can't completely rely on annuity amount, because since it is not adjusted to inflation, it won't be sufficient enough to meet your post-tax expenses. And also here the annuity is taxable as per your tax slab rate, which reduces the potential return that you get from this policy. Before we conclude on any policy, it's better for us to see its potential return. By that we would come to know whether this plan would be ideal suit to your investment portfolio or not. Now let's see the Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Pension Plan IRR analysis. By that we would come to know its potential return. Let us make certain assumptions in 3 options that is been given. Here in the first option, the age of entry is 60 years, premium paying term single pay is 25 lakhs, annuity payment frequency is annual, return of purchase price is nil. In the option 2, the age of entry is same 60 years, premium paying term single pay is 25 lakhs, Annuity payment frequency is also annual, but the return of purchase price is at maturity or death. In the option 4, the age of entry remains the same. Premium paying term is for 5 years. Determined period is for 5 years. Annual premium is rupees 1 lakh. Annuity payment frequency is annual and return of purchase price at maturity or death. Now, if you see, this benefit illustration is taken from Tata AIA website, and its IRR seems to lie between 4.62% to 6.01%, which can match up to bank FD rate, but it is also slightly lower than even bank FD rate for senior citizens. So, will this be sufficient enough to meet your financial goals? Definitely not. To meet your financial goals and future milestones, you need inflation beating return. So now let us take a look into its alternatives by which we can get inflation beating return and also achieve our financial goals and future milestones. Let us compare this Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Pension Plan with other investment products, namely Post Office Savings Schemes with Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vardhana Yojana, PMWY, and Senior Citizen Savings Schemes SCSS and RBI Floating Bond. By that we come to know whether this plan would be beneficial for us in the long run or not. There are all the other risk investments apart from Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Pension Plan. If you see from fixed income perspective also, these products look better, and also from the perspective of return on liquidity, these products are superior to Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Pension Plan. So choose your investment vehicle wisely. Now let's see the final verdict on Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Pension Plan. It offers guaranteed regular income for lifetime of the investors, but at the same time it offers only lower returns when compared to other investments. The return of this plan will not help you suffice the cost of living and also the medical expenses. So choose your investment vehicle and investment policy wisely. You should note one point. Only having a diversified investment strategy and diversified investment portfolio help you generate sufficient corpus for your various financial requirements post retirement. If you have doubt regarding the investment strategy or investment plan, then you can consult your financial planner. He will be able to create an ideal investment strategy and ideal investment plan catering to your financial goals and also your risk update, via which you can achieve your financial goals. A detailed review on Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Pension Plan is available in our website in the form of a blog post, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.